In today's video, I'm going to take you guys through the exact backtesting strategy that I used to do that literally helped me grow my trading accounts, my prop firm capital, all of it exponentially. I call it forward testing. Pretty much what you do is you remember the last time you left off at the live markets and you pretty much predict what price was going to do and how you would trade off of it. In this video, I take you guys through a live example of that and it literally works. It's one thing to backtest with hindsight data, but forward testing I found worked incredibly well for myself. What's up? This is a trick I used to do back when I was backtesting a lot on the days that I wouldn't trade to see if my trading analysis would still work out. So I haven't checked the charts yet, but pretty much what I would do is I remember what price was doing when I left off last. So it was Euro USD. It's bouncing around this key consolidation zone. It sort of bounced down, rejected off of it like that. And then it did it another time like that, kind of. And then I left off with price coming back up like this. So if this is the top of the key consolidation zone, this is the bottom of it. When I left off, price was shooting up like this a bit. Now, what I would have done, how I would have traded this live if I chose to trade it, is I would have taken a sell if it started to show signs of rejections back down. And if it started to show signs of resistance right here and then show signs of rejections right here, basically validating that this is a retest of an outside push up from the key consolidation zone, I would have cut the sell for a little bit of profit, and then I would have entered a buy aiming for new highs outside of this key consolidation zone. But obviously, if price kept on falling down, I would have just trailed my stop or just kept the normal risk up here and then aimed for either the midway of the key consolidation zone, that's a terrible line, or the bottom of it right here to either get TP right here or TP right here. And this is exactly what I would do. So those were the two trades I would take: sell right here or buy right here, and that's exactly how I'd manage it if I was actively managing it as well. And pretty much, let's go see what price actually did. I haven't even checked it yet, and this is how I kind of back tested when I wasn't trading as well. But you have to have a kind of good memory to know what market's doing, because obviously if you don't know what the market was doing when you left off, you won't even be able to know or be able to do this. So you kind of have to have a good memory. So let's go check it out. Okay, we're on Euro USD, and pretty much price was doing exactly what I was looking for it to do. So it was bouncing around, hitting the top of the key consolidation zone like it was doing. And then when I left off, it was up here. So I probably wouldn't have even sold, because this isn't enough rejection for me to look for even sells at all. So I wouldn't have even entered until down here, looking for the retest of the top of this key consolidation zone right here and looking for buys. So let's say I was actively looking at this at 7 a.m. this morning and I took a buy like my entry model says to do. Let's zoom in a little bit, because it would be after the second green candle close, which would have been right here. I entered, and then I have 1-to-1. So either 30, I always do 30 risk for pip, for the pippage. And then I either do 1-to-1. So I aim for 30 for the profit, or I aim for 20. So what I usually do is I usually set the 30 pip mark. So this would be the 30 pick mark. Obviously it didn't hit it, but I manage it. And I have alerts set for like the 20 mark right here to see if I want to close it or not. And if I was actively managing this and I seen a big rejection right here, and then we got this push up, I would have closed it right here if I was actively managing it for the 20 pip mark. But since I was busy with my prop firm stuff, to be 100% honest with you, I probably would have just set the 30, put an alert here, and then right now is when I was able to get on the charts, so I probably would be at break even right now. But nonetheless, the strategy does work if you have more time than I do, because I currently run prop firms and other stuff. You could have gotten out for 20 pips, and in my case, for a $500 trading flip challenge that I'm currently doing, that would be $200. Made in like how long? How long would this trade have been played out in? 2 hours. $200 in 2 hours. Not too bad for a $500 account. Anyways, if you guys want to follow along and get access to all my $500 flip challenge, and then also my daily live broker statements to prove that I'm actually trading on a live account, and then also all of my upcoming education and everything, live streams, absolutely everything, join my Discord.